This is the practice test for fractions, and here we're covering numbers 2 and 3. And we notice here number 2, the question is, determine the fraction that represents the unshaded portions of the figure. And we have this rectangle divided into 7 equal parts. 6 of them are shaded, 1 is unshaded. And you have to notice that it says unshaded portions, and so the fraction that is unshaded is 1 part unshaded over 7 parts total, which is 1 out of 7. 1 over 7 would be the fraction. And then for number 3, this should be a 3 here. What number could be filled in for the question mark to make the fractions equivalent? And we are given the fraction 5 over 8 equal to a fraction with a denominator of 32, and we have to find the numerator. And so I've rewritten the problem down here. 5 over 8 is equal to some number over 32. Now what you want to do is look at the two denominators, the two numbers on the bottom. You have an 8 and a 32. And you ask yourself, what number do I multiply 8 by to get 32? And the answer is 4, so 8 times 4 gives me 32. And then you would do the same thing on the top. You would multiply by 4. 5 times 4 gives me 20, and 20 is my answer. So whatever number you need to multiply the bottom number by, you multiply the top number by that same number in order to find the numerator.